All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the speech outline task card that you should be working on. This video is going to take you through step 1 of the outline task card, which is transferring your claims and subclaims into this document. So, looking through these directions, what we need to do is first review the claim skill card. Then we need to type our claims from our class claim handout into the corresponding boxes. Then we need to make sure that our claim has introduced a problem, suggested a cause, and offered a solution. And pretty similar to this, we also need to remember that our subclaims should further explain the problem, cause, and solution. At the end, we need to self-assess on the skill of argumentative claim. So jumping into this, first off, to review the claim skill card, there's a link right here. What I want you to do is read over the claim rubric checklist, the rubric itself, some of the information below about claims and subclaims, and I would encourage you to read through the examples as well. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to remind you that your claim needs to clearly introduce your argument. The subclaims need to be about the claim. Your subclaims should show their relationship, meaning like your claim should introduce your 3 arguments. The subclaims should expand on those 3 arguments. The significance of your claim should be shown. And finally, in order to get that 6, your subclaims need to be sequenced to build an argument. ABC, not CAB. We'll get back to this point specifically in just a second. I want to touch on significance. Significance doesn't have to come in the claim statement itself. Significance can be shown in other parts of that introduction section of your speech. So don't worry as much about showing significance as you should about sequencing your claim. Jumping back to our document, you're very lucky with sequencing the claim because as long as you organize your claim around problem, cause, solution, you have sequenced the claim. And you're actually set up fairly well to hit a 6 in this project on this skill. What I mean by that is your claim should be a sentence that first introduces problem, suggests cause, and offers solution, and your 3 subclaims should directly tie to that sentence. So the first subclaim expanding on the problem, the second subclaim expanding on the cause of the problem, and the third subclaim expanding on the solution that you are offering to the problem. Looking down here, we need to type our claims from the class handout into the corresponding boxes below. The boxes on this document for claim are here for the main claim, and 1, 2, 3 for the subclaims. Your subclaims, remember, should be problem, cause, and solution. You don't need to worry about the counterclaim section yet. We're going to be doing something on that in class next week. So, as I said, we need to put these into this document. Right now, they should already be written in your claim handout document, the one you did by hand. Remember, your claim was the main claim here, your subclaim 1, subclaim 2, and subclaim 3. So, transfer it into this document, and then the last thing you need to do after you've copied and pasted it in is you need to do a self-assessment on the skill of claim. So, in the updates, the same place you got the link to this video from, you will notice at the bottom of the page there is a peer and self-assessment box. I want you to copy and paste that into your outline right at the bottom. And using the checklist in order to understand if you had a 3, 4, 5, or 6, I want you to complete a self-assessment for argumentative claim. You'll be doing the peer assessment at the end of class. Complete the self-assessment explaining what your score is and how you know you're at that score using language from the checklist and evidence copied and pasted in from your claim itself. If you have any further questions about this, do not hesitate to check in with Mr. Sussman or Miss G about it. Have a good day.